Friends, this is a public interest litigation petition filed by Advocate Sachin Jain in the Supreme Court of India, where the bench led by the CJI Sharad Bobde heard and of course he has asked, the Supreme Court asked the private hospitals, can the private hospitals treat all the patients for COVID-19 at Ayushman Bharat rates? This is a question put by the Supreme Court of India. Yesterday it happened. Right. Coming to the public interest litigation, the advocate Sachin Jain, so he argues that COVID-19 treatment costs rupees 4,000 in case of Ayushman Bharat patients, that is subsidized rate. The government hospitals should, of course, they have to treat free, but the hospitals in which these people are covered under Ayushman Bharat scheme, the hospitals which treat them, they have to collect only 4,000. But you may be shocked, we are shocked literally, you may be shocked to know that in Bombay, JJ Hospital, I think, they have collected, they have billed 2,50,000 for a for the treatment of a COVID-19 patient who did not survive. Secondly, another hospital charged about 1 lakh rupees. Now, for that purpose, already people do not have any work for the past 3 months, literally due to the COVID lockdown. Then what to do? In such a case, if any person is affected with COVID-19, actually the public interest litigation is that the private hospitals also should treat the patients, number one, freely. If not, at least if they are covered under the Ayushman Bharat scheme at the so-called subsidized rate of 4,000. But they are collecting minimum 50,000 for treatment of some patients. Now, the response from the government, of course, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, he argued that, of course, Ayushman Bharat scheme was meant for the poor people, certain category or identifiable category based on the income base. And the scheme cannot be covered to the every strata of the society. So, people, it happens in, for example, there was a doctor in Nellore, he was affected with corona and he was shifted to the government hospital where he did not like to stay. He went to Apollo hospital, paid a bill of course he could not, paid a bill of about 1 lakh or so, but he died. So certain people, they don't like to stay in the government hospitals and therefore does not apply to every section of the society. Ayushman Bharat is a particular, it is related to particular category of people. Of course, he also, Tushar Mehta stated that the government is doing its best to support the poor. But already, on behalf of the private hospitals, they don't want to conduct the service at 4,000 to the COVID-19 patients. So on their behalf, Shri Harish Salve and Mukul Rohatgi, so they stated that the revenue of the private hospitals already gone less by 60 to 70% and they cannot treat the patients. Of course, Mr. Harish Salve stated that they have also got Ayushman patients. That means the hospitals are authorized to treat Ayushman Bharat patients. Definitely for them it will be 4,000. But for other patients covered by private insurance, then they have to bear more money. So that means they cannot give a subsidized service on par with Ayushman Bharat, right? So Mukul Rohatgi also stated that nobody is coming to the hospital unless it is an emergency. True, everybody will have to ask. Then now the Supreme Court asked, this is the most important point, Supreme Court asked, can private hospitals treat all the patients at Ayushman Bharat rate? Why? Because at the time of foundation, at this time of initiation, at the time of starting, under the name of charitable institutions, they will get the land free of cost or at the rate of ₹1 per acre. So if such people who get benefited by the getting of so much of site and so much of land, Are they not bound to treat the patients under Ayushman Bharat treat? Actually, they are supposed to treat the patients free of cost, because now they are reaping huge profits even though they get the land free by name of charitable hospitals. So they have received the public land at a concession rate, and can't they treat the patients free of cost? Of course, Supreme Court also stated that we do not have any grievance against the private hospitals, but what about the charitable hospitals which have taken land from the government? Why can't charitable hospitals who made huge profits and continue to make profits, let them continue, let them get the profits. But why can't it be ensured that they do some service to the society? This is the question posed by CJI Bobde. But Tushar Mehta stated the law does not separate or bifurcate between private hospitals, charitable hospitals and others. Of course, law is it did not bifurcate. That means they are all private hospitals. Right? So this is the thing. Now Supreme Court has posed a very good question. The private hospitals, particularly which got the land freely or at a concession rate, why don't they treat the patients at free of cost, or at least Ayushman Bharat? Of course, we have to see what the outcome will be, and the judgment is not delivered. But anyway, it's a good gesture by the Supreme Court that they are understanding the problems of the people nowadays, because COVID-19, once you are affected, very bad. And if you go to a private hospital, definitely they will actually sulk you away from your money. But anyway, people prefer to go to hospitals, people who have money. It's okay. But is it not their fundamental duty, or at least charitable duty, to treat the patients free of cost? Definitely, certainly. They have to say yes. But of course, Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor himself, is saying you can't bifurcate. Private hospitals are separate sector. They have got insurance, private insurance schemes. They have also got the Ayushman Bharat patient. They are telling so many stories like this. Anyway, let us see what will happen. Thank you.